Hi, my name is Jingyi Xie. I'm the first author and presenter for the paper, Iterative Design and Prototyping of Computer Vision Mediated Remote Site Assistance. I completed this work with the help of my colleagues from College of IST. Remote Site Assistance, or RSA in short, is a navigational aid for people with visual impairments, where they use a smartphone app to call a remote-sighted person while sharing their live camera feed. The remote-sighted person or agent interprets a live camera feed and provides navigational assistance to the user by natural conversations. We made 3 contributions in this study. First, we designed different prototypes on how to use computer vision techniques to assist remote-sighted agents so that they can assist users with visual impairments better. This is important because providing RSA service is mentally demanding and stressful for the agents, and their task has grown broader and more complex. Second, we find the desirability and feasibility of our design by engaging domain experts and having them review our design. Third, we discover key themes and identify design specifications to implement a computer vision mediated RSA service in the future. We adopted the scenario-based design in this paper and contextualized our design ideas in several real-world scenarios. We proposed low-fidelity pictorial prototypes for each scenario and adopted ARA service as our research platform, which is an RSA subscription service for users with visual impairments. We conducted 2 studies to collect feedback from certain agents in interviews. We ended up with 6 high-level issues describing the relationship between RSA practice and our design ideas, and 5 of them are solidified in Study 2. Within the theme of contextualizing object detection, we include several concrete suggestions our participants gave us. For example, in Study 1, quote, being able to identify maybe a hierarchy of objects would be very helpful, versus having all objects available all the time, end quote. The theme of contextualizing object detections is solidified in Study 2 under the sub-theme of selected pedestrian, object, and obstacle detection, and is shown in this quote. If you have like 20 people, it would be people, and then it would like just cloud your view for navigation, end quote. This agent was concerned that the feature of object or pedestrian detection could overwhelm her and overpopulate the video feed in busy locations. This brings us to one of the key topics we discussed in the paper, opportunities for computer vision algorithms in RSA. Also, see our written discussion for more details. Which objects are of interest depends heavily on the scenario, context, and people with visual impairments preferences, and labeling all visible objects can result in information overload. While the association with people with visual impairments profiles may help, each of ARA's visually impaired users has a profile that agents can access, containing RSA preferences, such as preference for more or less scenery description when navigating. It would be laborious to specify one's preference for a large range of possible activities. Thus, it is desirable to learn such information on the fly as we deploy systems in real-world applications. To this end, AI can be employed to automatically adjust the importance of features for each agent and people with visual impairments. Further, AI can be used to mine frequent patterns in user data and recommend additional objects to discover, similar to systems that recommend products based on a customer's shopping history. In this work, we developed low-fidelity pictorial prototypes showcase potential applications for computer vision to support RSA interactions and identify the feasibility and desirability of computer vision-mediated remote site assistance. And that's it. Thank you again to ARA, NIH, my CIL labmates and advisors, and to our reviewers. For more details, please read the paper, Iterative Design and Prototyping of Computer Vision Mediated Remote Site Assistance. And thank you all so much for listening.